Here I'm going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet, and this will work for any size. This is a twin sheet, but it'll work on a queen or California king. Now, all of your sheets are going to have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. A little bit harder to find on a California king because it's more similar to a square, but find one side, and I typically like to find the long side, and then I'm going to hold it up from that side. Make sure it's kind of folded out so it's not all crumpled up in a little ball or anything. You want to have it nice and unfolded like this. So here on all of them, they're going to have this stitching on every corner, and at the end is this little point. So what you do is you get your hands on the inside here. So on the back here, my hands are just up in here, and I've got my fingers right here at those points. So my hand is just like this. I've got the point inside. So with both of the long side corners here, bring your fingers together and now tuck one side over the other. So here, I've got my corner there, and I'm just going to roll this around the outside here, and now I've got these 2 corners connected here together. Now, I'm always keeping my finger here at the point to keep those 2 corners together. So now, it's going to kind of fold out of itself, so what you want to do is get that tucked back in. So find the bottom portion of the fitted sheet here, and pull on that, and that typically tucks in everything. So now, it's all together, right? So you don't have part of it folding out or falling out of itself. So now you want to find that opposite corner here from the back side here. I found the corner there, and then you want to find the other corner as well, and we'll find the other matching corner there, and we're doing the same thing here where we're matching the finger here to both points so that we have both corners here in the end, right? So I've got my corners here in my right hand and the corners here in my left hand. So all 4 corners now are right here. And then you're going to do that again. So you can put these fingers together here and fold over. But from here, actually, you could just lay it down and start folding from there. But what I like to do is find those corners again and then do it one more time. And so now we have all of our corners up here, and then now it's kind of just a matter of getting a straighter line here on the top. Since it is now an odd shape, you're never going to get that true square like you would for a normal sheet. So now here, you can just hold it here, and then kind of like a towel, I just fold this in to get a straighter line here, and now you can just fold it into more of a square. And it's never going to be a perfect square just because it's just not made like that, and it doesn't have those square corners. But there you go. That will fold up really nice and neatly, and now you have your fitted sheet. I always know they're fitted sheets because they're just so much thicker, right? So it's got just so how it sits here, it's just a lot thicker. So I'll have the corresponding straight sheet that goes with that, put that in the laundry in the closet, and that'll be ready to go. But hopefully that was helpful. That's just a nice, easy way to fold your fitted sheets.